Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset Samsung Galaxy A26 5G smartphone. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password, pin or pattern. As you can see, incorrect pin entered. Okay, to do hard reset, first connect your Samsung Galaxy A26 5G to the laptop and PC with the help of USB cable. So now I'm going to connect it to my laptop with the help of this USB cable. Connected. As you can see, it is successfully connected. Okay, now if we try to power off the smartphone, here you can see enter pin to turn off phone. So to restart the phone, press and hold the power and volume down button together until the screen turn off. Press and hold it, do not release. And now release and press and hold the volume up and power button together for a few seconds and release. And now take out this USB from Samsung Galaxy A26 5G smartphone. So here you can see now you are in Android recovery mode. Here you can see now you are in Android recovery mode. Here volume keys to move up and down and power button to confirm. So here go to white data factory reset. Here go to white data factory reset and confirm. And you can see wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. All data on this device will be erased if your SD card is encrypted. All data stored on your SD card will be also be lost. So now go to factory data reset and confirm. And you can see data wipe complete. And you can see now you are again back in Android recovery mode. So now here now reboot system now. And guys, after hard reset might take some time to boot up the device, and after hard reset might again ask for password, pin or pattern, use Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard reset Samsung Galaxy A26 5G smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in the comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.